Desde Cali, Colombia. Allá está haciendo frío, aquí no. A toda la gente beautiful de Canadá. You people, I love you forever. Hey, you're from Colombia. Hey, bye bye.
Te quiero que sí.
Sail set high up past the TV. Easter and feast they stood so savagely. Bathing pools under the angel fall. Nick Pursue, it was a magic dream. Sands of time are flowing by, my eyes are fast. Join the times doing what inspires us.
Buenos noches, damas y caballeros. ¿Cómo estás? Today I'm going to be going on an adventure to a waterfall called Los Cabelleros. Cascada, Los Cabelleros. And I'm going to be going with the guy that runs this hostel here, Donde Jose Navarro. And we're going to be going on that bike right there, and you'll be meeting him pretty shortly. And I think it's about an hour-long trip on the motorbike, and it's quite a nice looking waterfall, so I'll get to do some photography today finally. And I want to let you know about the hostel because it's a great place to stay here in Guadalupe in Santander, and I'll tell you more about the hostel as we go along in another vlog. We'll do a whole vlog about the hostel, and you'll get to meet Jose a little bit more. He's a really great guy, and I love Guadalupe already. Very quiet little town, and not going to be any hurry to leave, quite frankly. Anyhow, let's go. Vamos. Number 2, aventura total.
Todo es cordillera oriental. Es muy largo. Voy acá.
Buenas tardes. It's like a little hobbit house. Like the Garden of Eden here. Slippery. There we go. Cascada, los Caballeros. So first plan, that's kind of nice. We're going to go up top, upper area of the waterfall, and I'll take some photos, and then we're going to do the sides. Wow, look how beautiful and green it is. All kinds of things here. He was just showing me back that way a little bit. Cacao. And apparently it's a really good area for growing all different kinds of crops.
De muy bien.
See? So he was just saying that this flower here is very popular for ornamental purposes in people's homes. And so that's something that the people can sell. Alright, here we are at the upper falls. Very muddy. And you can walk right behind the waterfall. I'm going to turn the camera off now because there's going to be too much spray and the camera's just going to get all wet. So okay, we're heading up higher now. Beautiful jungle here. Hopefully there will be a great view of the landscape over here, which is also beautiful. A little bit obscured right here, but I expect up higher it's going to be even better. Quite the big slab of rock. Ooh, could be a leg burner. This is interesting. So I'll just keep on rolling. Wow, cool. Mirador, which means view spot, and a tienda, store. Buenas tardes.
La dueña del lugar.
Ah.
Del feo lugar.
Es un lugar muy feo. Sí. Look at this view, folks. Pretty amazing. Hey, what a place to be able to hang out. Beautiful, colorful flowers. Amazing waterfall. Alright, we'll go check out the waterfall in a bit. So it didn't take long for him to order the cerveza.
Salud.
This is Colombia, so
Colombia.
mi broma es carne y cerveza y la gente son muy feliz. This is how you open a beer in Colombia, con el machete. You do everything with a machete here.
Siempre un machete.
Sí.
La herramienta perfecta. Para todo.
Es necesario para tener el machete para protección de los locos.
Sí.
Atrás ya 4 días en la pasada.
¿Y quién estará de por medio ahí? Eso debe que haber algo.
Yo les digo lo mismo.
Hay
Esa
eso, hay
clase y
algo,
atrás y atrás.
hay algo oscuro ahí. Ya.
Sí, porque nosotros, bueno, ¿qué? Pero la casa, nosotros ya, bueno, comentarnos que pagar un abogado y nosotros queremos a pagar un abogado y 5 cuartos, si es que nosotros no, ni tenemos nuestros recursos y si es que nosotros no hemos hecho ningún daño ambiental. Y eso le cobran a uno que 10, que 20 millones. ¿De dónde diablos se va a sacar eso?
Explico.
Okay, here we are at the top of the waterfall. Jose's hanging on to me so I don't fall and die. Quite a long drop. So yeah, I definitely wouldn't want to be falling. Obviously. I just noticed a hole in the rock there, in the triangle shape. And then on top of that, we have this beautiful view here. And that's where we just came from. The little tienda. Beautiful bamboo. I love bamboo. These here are a particular breed, if that's the right word, of orchids. Es difícil. There we go. It's a fruit.
Lo blanco. Esto no.
No hay mucho.
Blanco.
Just
Nice.
the little white part, but it's very tasty. Es similar a guanábana, un poquito por el
Sí.
sabor.
Sí, sí.
Very similar to guanábana. It's a lot smaller. Take a lot of these to make una copa de
Nieve.
jugo es mucho
Sí.
de las frutas. Walking up the river now. Not quite sure where we're going, but I like surprises, so. This looks a little bit similar to Las Gachas. But no big potholes yet.
De ver. Y después como... No quiero.
Yeah. Up and down, up and down. So we're going to another waterfall. but I'm not really sure which one. I guess it's another area of the same river that's upstream, but I have no idea what it's going to look like, so it's going to be an interesting surprise. People want me to die, trying to save me, I don't know why. Buenas tardes.
No, es que no consigo yuca. Y plátano no hay para hacer.
Entonces, ¿quieres probar el guarapo?
Sí.
Guarapo y una cerveza, por favor.
Hola.
Hay genuas.
Eso es.
Esto, el nombre típico es guarapo. Es una bebida fermentada a base de dulce de caña, frutas y fermentación. Es muy bueno.
So if you watch some of my other videos, you know that I like to try different things. I don't really drink alcohol, but I don't mind trying different things. I don't have an issue with that. So this is fermented cane juice and different fruits. So it's fermented, so let's give it a try. Ah, me acuerdo eso en Charalá.
Ah, sí.
Pero en coconut.
Totuma. Gracias.
Gracias.
Sí, pero tiene ese
There's our lunch. One each.
Genovas.
¿Genoas? ¿Qué es
Génova.
Génova?
Es
carne?
como es carne.
Ah,
Sí.
chorizo.
Como es tipo chorizo, pero ahumado.
Ah. This is our lunch. Mejor que nada.
Sí, mejor que nada.
Mucho naranja.
Limón.
¿Limón? Oh, es limón con un...
Es una clase de limón.
Ah.
De limón hay varias. Y este es un...
Always have the dogs hanging around when you eat. I love it. There's the big dining area. Al fresco.
Ya está la vez, tiene como unas 4 libras.
Claro,
Buen día, caballeros.
Por ahí la cambio.
So this is this is kind of interesting. So they squeeze through here. A little tight squeeze there. So this factory here which is now a ruins, was the very first factory that was making clothes in all of Colombia. Isn't that interesting? Wow. So, ¿cuántos años es el edificio? Más o menos.
Más o menos 300.
So he's saying it's around 300 years old. So that's a little bit of a time back. Very interesting. And what's kind of bizarre about it, it's really out in the middle of nowhere. There's the nearest big city to here is really Bucaramanga, which is about 5 hours away. Muy interesante.
Fábrica textil de alcohol.
Sí.
Sí. Y color para ropa. Algodón, con algodón.
Y eso es por...
Todo. Fábrica.
Ah, ok.
Todo era fábrica, todo. Posible, esto era oficina.
Sí. ¿Puedo caminar por acá? ¿Rápido?
Sí, pero 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, máximo 3.
Okay.
Y regreso.
Okay. All right, I'm just gonna walk down here really quickly. So he's saying that they also made alcohol here, which, of course, where don't they make alcohol? And then the dye for the clothes was made here as well. So as you can see, this is probably the original road. And there's some more ruins over there with the whatever you want to call it, the brick stack. But further down there, there's somebody's house, so this is as far as I'll go. A little bit of a side view there. Huh, very interesting.
Museo de algodón y fábrica de San José.
Entonces el pueblito es muy antiguo también.
Es que no lo recuerdo muy bien, Juan. Pero es antiguo, sí.
he goes. I guess I'm staying here for the night. So this looks like it's the old cathedral. So this is going to be a very old little town with a gorgeous view. Wow. So this would probably be possibly one of the first churches or cathedrals in Colombia too. Got your little outdoor sports place over there. Yeah, what a neat little detour. Let's have a quick look inside here. I won't go past the chain though. Let's see what we can see. It's almost kind of spooky because there's nobody else in here. Wonder if I'm the first foreigner who's ever even been to this town before. Neat little place. Doesn't even appear as though it has a restaurant, so not a lot going on here. How you decorate the ground in Colombia with beer caps in the ground.
heading to the lower level of the waterfall. Looks like there's going to be a lot of spray. Absolutely beautiful Cascada Cabelleros. I don't know if you can see it or not, but there's a rainbow when the sun comes out. Sendero del Amor, Pathway of Love. All right, Adventura. Sure is beautiful out here.